Hey guys, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to request money on Wise. First of all, what you have to do is open Wise application on your phone, and then you have to go into the recipients on the bottom right side, click on recipients, click on add recipient. Now you have to search for currency. For instance, if your recipient from which you want to request money is from United States, you have to select USD, and then you have two options. Either you can enter their bank details, or you can also find them on Wise with their Wise tag or email address or their phone number. You can select any option. Once you found your recipient, click on their name, and then you will see an option to request money. Click on request, and it will give you start requesting money and give you some details that you have to choose the currency you want to get paid in. So click on start, and then simply enter the amount of money that you want to request from your recipient. For instance, if you want to request $20, simply enter $20 and then send them a request. Your recipient will get a notification that you are requesting $20 from them. Once they approve the request, you will get the $20 or the amount of money that you have requested from your recipient. And that's simply how you can request money on Wise. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.